Honorable MLA sir, respected Commissioner sir, respected Professor sir, respected Principal sir, and all other dignitaries present on the stage, and every parent, thanks for coming over here. Uh, so I was a student from 1st to 12th class in this school only, and very few years back I was sitting on that side of the stage, uh, sitting just like you, and now I'm very elated to be on this side. And I would say that the role of our school is immense in that. Our school has always been very good in academics, but today's performance showcases that we have also achieved uh, very fabulous performances in co-curricular as well as extracurricular uh, fields. It is a testament to Principal Sir that such a holistic development is being undertaken. So I would like to heartfully thank him for such kind of initiatives. I would say a few words about the UPSC exam, since I think many of you are here to listen about that. It is one of the toughest exams of India, and the Iron Man of our country, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel ji, he once termed the civil services as the steel frame of our country because it holds our country together, as seen in the wonderful performance by these young kids that our country is a microcosm of India, where people from different parts of our country come together and study together. It is uniqueness of Kendriya Vidyalayas that such opportunity is findable over here. So I would like to say a case study. Suppose a old woman comes to your office and she does not have a ration card, but she wants to avail access to ration. Then in such a situation, you have discretion, but you cannot give her ration because she does not have proper documents. So what would you do in such a scenario? So rather than bending the rules, it will be a simple solution to start a camp where such ration cards can be given. What I want to illustrate from this is that civil services requires out-of-box thinking, and I believe that many of you will reach to that level in the coming future. And I will be very elated to see many of you in the IITs, the AIMS, the NEET exam, so that our school, uh, its name is enlightened among the not only the district but also the entire country. In this heat, I know the parents are sitting very calmly, but those students who performed here, I would like to have a special round of applause for them in this 42 degrees Celsius heat. They performed really well. So with that, I would like to end and thank you everyone. God bless everyone. All the best.
Thank you.